Hello guys, I'm Corbin Randall from Total Redline, and today we're modding this SL55 with Race IQ. What are we doing? This is Mr. Don right here.
We're going to put a 77mm blower pulley on it and a tune from Race IQ.
Thank you to Anthony Lawson from
very
Race
much.
IQ.
Thank you very much, Anthony. He UPS'd it today. I should get it in the morning.
And we got Evan Russo. He has the quadcopter right there. He's helping with the filming process. So today we're doing a before and after of the tune and the blower pulley modifications. So let's get right on into it. So here is the pulley that we're going to be putting on it and all the tools, and we'll get to that. Alright, so we're going to do the startup of the first black SL55 before the tune, before the conversion, and we're going to see what it sounds like, and then after we're going to see what it sounds like. We're also going to do some testing, like 0 to 60, stuff like that, just to see how good this modification really is, and especially for the price. So that was a startup right there. As you can see, when it warmed up a little bit, you can hear a little whine, but nothing too much. When we get going, that's gonna be, oh, we're gonna get a little rev too. That sounds good. Can't wait to hear what this sounds like with it. Oh my gosh. One thing that's truly crazy about what we're doing, you're about to see the Mercedes is fast as it is. Without that blower pulley, it's already a freaking demon. All right, there we go. All right, let's see what the big boy can do. Good Lord. So one thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this black SL55, I'm gonna do a little ride along and see how much the pull is, and then when we do the modification, the tune, I'm gonna see then if it pulls a lot harder, just by my personal experience. But also you get some footage with Mr. Don in the Lamborghini Doored Mercedes. Let's get it, guys. So we're gonna get our reaction, guys. Mr. Don driving, we're gonna see how much G's this is, and we're gonna compare it to when we're actually doing the tune. And Evan's right there driving the Focus behind me. I kind of fell in the weeds when I was recording that. My leg got a little itchy, but it's all good. Dude, that's Mac right there. Yeah. I know that guy. It feels like we're riding on air for a second.
gear pull. I don't know why it didn't shift out. It didn't shift out at first then.
Yeah,
You feel that?
That was weird. Man, it felt like you're gliding on air for a while there. Woo! Alright, good lord. Guys, this tune is gonna be crazy.
I'm real anxious to see what it will do now without the with that 77mm blower pulley.
Feels like we're riding on air for a second. That is Mac right there. I know that guy.
Which guy?
The GTI.
Yeah, I heard it revving up.
Yeah. Dual clutch too. It's pretty cool. All right, guys. Let's see what this thing like. Oh God. Ah.
All right. I won't tell you how fast we went, but we went pretty fast.
More? 90? Okay.
I let off of it in first to go to second. You know?
0 to 90. We can calculate the time. Put that right here. And then we can put the 0 to 90 with the tune and everything. So we'll do that. Oh God. Ah. What are these called actually?
Worm clamps.
Worm clamps, all right. So
Yeah.
we use these to break off the lower blower pulley from the clutch. All right.
Right.
All right, so step number 1.
Step number 1. So you have to purchase these.
Yeah.
I think I dropped one.
Pretty cheap for a really high horsepower modification.
Yes, this is really.
That's today at
Belt.
what do you say, Napa?
Yeah, and the pulley itself. So I've already removed the pulley, the belt.
Here's the belt.
What I'll do is I'll show you what I did. I'll bring this stuff over here.
All right.
And we'll proceed.
Proceed.
You try to turn this, the whole thing's gonna turn. You gotta stop this from turning.
Oh, and then how do we get the pulley off? Like
You put a big wrench on it.
oh, we wrench it. All right. So we're using leverage.
Yeah.
So does that tighten it or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're gonna put this around here.
I've never used a worm.
Yeah, worm gear. It's on your hose clamps and stuff. The clutch is internal. That's just a plastic housing. So
Yeah.
that baby's locked in.
Yeah.
All right.
And it's stuck against the.
Yeah, it's stuck against that little piece. I guess they put it there for that reason. Hopefully, so they went ahead and put that lever right there for you to work with.
We got them both on. We think this is it.
This is it.
This is it.
Got to be, man.
All right. So 1, 2, and there it goes.
If I'd had it all set up, it just took one time.
So do you tighten it the same way?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right. That's the used
Standard, yeah. 84.
Is that? Can you see if it's worn at all, or does it look like?
It's just regular, what a pressure plate would look like. It's got to be kind of roughed up, you know.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the I keep forgetting 77.
77.
Correct? All right, 77 millimeter Instillation. This is honestly like one of the easiest modifications that you could do, and this is like 50 horsepower in itself.
Yeah, it can add a lot of horsepower.
So we're just having trouble with fitting it on there. Alright guys, so we had to end up taking the snap ring off that just flew under the car, but this ended up sliding on, so that part's good. So 5 hours later, we got the snap ring on and the pulley. So that we got, now we got to get the, is this the new one?
Yeah.
We got to get this on and the nuts and bolts. So now we finally got that on. We're putting on the worm clamps. All right, so here we are tightening.
And you figure it'll be tight enough.
Yeah. What happens if it's
way to get it tight.
What happens if that nut is loose though?
If the nut's loose?
Yeah, it could fall off maybe. Or?
It'll spin off, or if it's the first thing that'll happen is the alarm will go off in the car.
Oh.
Saying that your blower's slipping.
Oh.
All you do is put it on the pulley. Okay, pull. Come on down. All the way. Oh, gotcha.
All
right, let it go. That's on.
It's real easy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that is easy. That's it?
Yep.
All right. Tune
if
time.
you can show me, how is the, if I put this on a laptop,
yeah.
I mean, I've got a laptop in there.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure.
So wait, do you need a laptop to tune it?
Yeah, you have to take this,
yeah,
put it on a laptop. It'll show you how to load it up on this.
Yeah, you just stick that in the computer. That goes directly in. And then where does that go?
That goes into the dash of the car.
And it just does it for you?
Yeah. He'll show us right here.
Oh, well that seems. So we don't have anything too serious, but we got the blower pulley put on here and everything, so. Feel any difference?
A little, yeah. I can feel a little bit of difference, but.
So now we're gonna get the tune on here. The tune is a little bit difficult. We just have to get the computer. The computer was broken and stuff like that, so we'll get that happening. Was that a squeak? Was that the belt there?
Who knows? It may be just seating in.
Yeah. What will the tune do exactly? Fuel the air ratio kind of stuff?
Yeah, right now it's probably running a little bit lean.
Yeah.
You know, and so you just kind of watch your temperature. As long as you don't dog it, it's probably not going to hurt anything.
Yeah,
but, you know.